Hello and welcome to another Top Tips video for the month of October. Today's videos will be focused on our Excel connector application. Our first top tip revolves around pulling figures in from our Caseware file to an Excel document. Firstly, create an Excel document within Working Papers. This can be done with the right-click button and creating New Excel Document. You can call this whatever you like. Once it's open, select the Add-ins tab and click Caseware Linkage. This will show a pop-up window with categories on the left-hand side. As you can see here, we're selecting the engagement properties as we wish to bring in the operating name. This can be done by selecting the operating name as shown on that row, and we'll notice that the calculation field at the bottom of the screen will be filled in. We next select the tick box to confirm that we want to bring that figure in to the cell that we have selected in the background on the Excel. We can then expand this to pull in descriptions from our account numbers and the figures themselves. This can be done by selecting the accounts category on the left, then in this case, sales type A, B and C for the description. And then if we move across to the right there, you'll notice that we can then pull in the current year figures. For tip 2, you may have noticed that we couldn't see our prior year figures on the previous entry. To do this, simply click the drop down at the top of the screen and select prior year. If we then scroll down to our sales type, we'll be able to see the prior year amounts. And in doing so the exact same way as before, selecting them and confirming to input the amounts. Our third tip is to show that your figures will automatically update even if there is a change on the accounts. So here we see sales type B. The prior year is currently set as £0. What we're going to do is jump in to the adjusting journals section with a nominal code of 4001 for the sales type B. Once we have created our journal, on this journal we're going to enter the amount of minus 100,000. Jumping back to the trial balance, we can then see that this change has been reflected in the prior year for the sales type B. And upon opening our Excel sheet, we can also see that this has been reflected automatically on the Excel sheet for sales type B. This is to reflect the advantages and efficiencies that you can gain from using Caseware Connector to create automated Excel sheets.